Hello! This video will help you prepare for your final evaluation report, which is the culminating project for the Survey Design and Data Analysis course. In this video, I will show you how to use a program called JASP to produce tables and graphs from a dataset, and we'll review where to locate specific information that you'll need for your report. What is JASP? JASP is a program that allows you to analyze and present your data. It is user-friendly, and best of all, it's an open source project hosted by the University of Amsterdam, which means that you can use it for free. With JASP, you can perform data analysis procedures in both classical and Bayesian form. You're just a few simple steps away from presenting our data like a pro. Okay, let's begin. The first step is to open the dataset provided by Dr. Bacon. You can find this dataset in Canvas. Click on Download the Student Dataset to save this file to your computer. After launching JASP, you're ready to open the dataset. You'll notice 3 stacked lines in the upper left corner, which we call the pancakes. Click on the pancakes now. Select Open, then Computer, then Browse. Locate the dataset file you just downloaded from our Canvas course and click Open. Next, click on the Descriptives button. You'll now see the Descriptive Statistics section on the left and the Results section on the right. In a moment, as we begin adjusting the descriptive statistics, you'll see the results populate and update automatically. The first thing we need to do is drag age, gender, and questions 1, 3, and 7 into the variables box. Notice that the results are changing as you work. Next, navigate to the Tables section on the left side of your page. You can use the arrows to open and collapse different sections. Open the Tables section and select the Frequency Tables checkbox. Next, open the Statistics panel. Click on the checkboxes for Median and Mode. Mean will be selected automatically. Now open the Plots panel by clicking on the arrow, then select the Distribution Plots checkbox. Bar graphs will appear in your results pane, but you may need to scroll down to see them. Great job! Now let's examine the results to find the values you'll need for your final evaluation report. The N value, or total number of participants in the survey, is located at the top of the descriptive statistics table. The median, mean, mode, and standard deviation for questions 1, 3, and 7 are located on the descriptive statistics table. You will need to know the number of and percentage of males and females. This can be found in the table titled Frequencies for Gender. Finally, you will need to know the age distribution of the participants in the survey. Instead of a frequency table, this information will be found in the age bar graph. To export this graph, hover your mouse over the graph and you'll see a drop-down arrow appear. Click on that arrow and select Save Image As. We suggest saving your file as a PNG to easily use this in your final report. Congratulations! You've now completed the necessary steps to present data like a pro in your final evaluation report. Good luck with your project, and if you need additional help, please reach Dr. Bacon through your Canvas portal anytime.